Good morning to all. Today our topic is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. The result left after taking away one number from another is called difference. The bigger number from which we take away is the minuend. The number taken away is the subtrahend. And the sign used to represent subtraction is called minus. Example, 58 minus 25 is equal to 33. 58 is minuend, 25 is subtrahend. The sign between 58 and 25 is the minus. And answer 33 is the difference. Subtraction without regrouping. Let's see some examples of doing subtraction. 78,305 minus 65,104. So I write the number one below the other. Since this is subtraction, I put a minus sign. Now we are going to subtract, okay? 78,305 minus 65,104. We have to start our subtraction from the rightmost side. So 5 minus 4. As like the addition, imagine that this is u. Okay. So first number, the number on the top, you have to keep in your mind. 5 in the mind. Keep your hand like this. 5 in your mind. Then start counting from 4. After 4. Okay. Start counting from after 4. So after 4, you have to count till the number 5. After 4, 5. So how many finger? 1. So answer is 1. You have to write straight below 5 minus 4. Answer is 1. Now 0 minus 0. Is it possible to subtract 0 from 0? No. So answer is 0. 3 minus 1. 3 in your mind. Keep your hand like this. All the fingers are closed. 3 in your mind. After 1, you have to count the number after 1. After 1, 2, 3. Till the number 3 you have to count. So how many fingers? 2 fingers. So answer is 2. Next number 8 minus 5. 8 in your mind. After 5 you have to count from after 5 till you reach 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers? 3. So answer is 3. Then 7 minus 6. 7 in your mind. After 6, 7. How many fingers? 1. So what is your answer? 13,201 is your answer. Next question is subtract 52,436 from 64,738. So here you have to note that from is subtract this number from this. That means you have to write this number first. Okay. So I'm writing that number first. 64,738 minus 52,436. Okay. Same way. This is you. Okay. Now, we are going to start subtraction. 8 minus 6. 8 in your mind. Keep your hand like this. 8 in your mind. After 6, 7, 8. You start counting from where? After 6. After 6, 7, 8. Till where you count? Till the number 8. So how many fingers in your hand? 2. So answer is 2. 3 minus 3. 3 in your mind. You have to count after 3. After 3, is it possible to count till 3? No. So how many fingers in your hand? No fingers. So you write 0. 7 minus 4. 7 in your mind. You have to count from after 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fingers in your hand? 3. 4 minus 2. 4 in your mind. After 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? 2. 6 minus 5. 6 in your mind. After 5, 6. How many fingers? 1. So answer is 12,302. And one more thing, children, when you have any doubt regarding your answer, whether it is correct or not, there is a technique to check whether it is correct or not. See, this is a method to check whether your subtraction, the answer is correct or not. How you have to check? You have to add what? Your answer and the smaller number, the number you have written here. That means subtrahend. You have to add your answer and subtrahend. So let's see what will be the answer. I'm going to add these two numbers. 5, 2, 4, 3, 6. I write the subtrahend first. Then I'm going to write the answer second. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2. So now I'm going to add. This is how you have to check whether your answer is correct. 6 plus 2. 6 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 6, 7, 8. Then 3 in your mind, 0 in the hand. After 3, any numbers to count? No. So here answer is 3. 4 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. 2 plus 2. 2 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 1. 5 in your mind, 1 in the hand. After 5, 6. See the number? This is your minuend. Can you see? You add these two numbers, okay, to check whether your answer is correct. Okay, if you are getting the first number, the minuend, first number, then your answer is correct. See, 64,738. The first number or the minuend is 64,738. This is how you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. So we get the correct answer. Subtraction with regrouping. Let's see some examples. Our next question is subtract 5,378 from 54,356. I told you in the previous question that subtract this from. If there is from, then you have to write this number first. Okay, or else if you have any doubt in writing which number first, you just write the bigger number first. We already learned how to find the bigger number, isn't it? Compare the number and write the bigger number. So here I'm going to write this number 54,356. 54,356 minus this number. This is a 4-digit number and this is 5-digit number. So if the number of digits is not same, you have to start writing from the right side. That is better. Okay. So 8, 7, 3, 5. We have to write the number according to their place value. Okay. Now start subtracting. 6 minus 8. Is it possible to count 6 from 8? See, this is you. Okay. This is you. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 6? No. So, let us share with the next person. Who is next to 6? 5. So, this 5, I cut 5 and make it as 4. 4 is how the 4 come? The number just before 5. So, the 5 become 4 and the 1, I give it to this 6. So, 6 become 16. Now, let's start counting. 16 minus 8. 16 in your mind. 16 in your mind, and after 8 you have to count from after 8. After 8 you have to Count till where? Till 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So 8 is your answer. Write the number just below this, okay, according to the place value itself. Now 4 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 4? No. Again, we are sharing with the next person. So 3 become 2. The number just before 3 is 2. And 1 I give it to the next person. So it becomes 14. 14 minus 7. 14 in your mind. You have to count from after 7 till 14. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So 7 is your answer. Now, again, 2 minus 3. Is it possible to subtract 3 from 2? No. So, this 4 become 3. The number just before 4 is 3. And give 1 to the next person. So, 2 become 12. So, you have to keep 12 in your mind and start counting from 3 after 3 till you reach 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? 9 fingers. So 9 is your answer. Now 3 minus 5. Again it is not possible. So we will share with this. 5 become 4 and 3 become 13. How you will count? From after 5 till 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So 8 is your answer. Then 4, here nothing is there. If you want, you can put 0. 4 minus 0, any number. If we are subtracting 0 from any number, answer is the same number. So you can write here 4. So answer is 48,978. Now let's see how to check whether the answer is correct or not. Check. How we will check the answer, whether the answer is correct or not? We have to add the answer with the subtrahend. So I'm going to add 48978 plus, keep in your mind, this is addition. You are doing addition. These two numbers you are going to add. Then write the subtrahend second. 5, 3, 7, 8. Now start adding. 8 plus 8. 8 in your mind, 8 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Answer is 16. So I write 1 on top and 6 below. 7 plus 7. 7 in your mind, 7 in your hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in your mind, 1 in your hand. After 14, 15. Answer is 15. 5 I am writing here. 1 I am giving to the next person. Now 9 in your mind, 3 in your hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in your mind, 1 in your hand. After 12, 13. So answer is 13. 3 here and 1 above. Then 8 plus 5. 8 in your mind, 5 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in your mind, 1 in your hand. After 13, 14. I write 1 over here and 4 here. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. See, this is same as minuend. Can you see? This is the same as minuend. That means your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Next question. find the difference of 72,006 and 54,189. Find the difference means you have to subtract and get the answer. So to subtract, which number we will write first? We have to write the bigger number. So I write here 72,006 first minus 54,189. Okay, now let this be u. Okay, 6 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract? No. If it is not possible to subtract, what we will do? We will share with the person next to us. But here, this is 0. Is it possible to share? No. Again, we will move to the next person. There is also nothing. Now coming to this person, it is 2. So, this 2, give 1 to this person. This 2 will share 1 with this person. So, 2 become 1 and the 0, when after sharing, the 0 become 10. Now, this 10 is going to share 1 with this 0. Okay. So, this 10 become 9. 9 is the number just before 10. So, this 0 become what? 10. Now, this 10 will share 1 with this 6. So, this 10 become 9 and 6 become 16. Is it clear? Now it is possible to count from 9 to 16, isn't it? 16 in your mind. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7. So 7 you can write over here. Now 9 minus 8. 9 in your mind. Count from after 8 till 9. After 8, 9. How many fingers? 1. Write 1. Then 9 minus 1. 9 in your mind. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you can write here 8. 1 minus 4. Is it possible? Again, it is not possible. So share with this next person. So this 7 becomes 6. 6 is the number just before 7. And this 7 give 1 to this person. So this 1 become how much? 11. Now 11 in your mind. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many number? How many fingers? 7. 6 minus 5. 6 in your mind. After 5, 6. How many fingers? 1. So, answer is 17,817.